Various animal organizations, including the RSPCA, Battersea Dogs and Cats Home, Dogs Trust, the Kennel Club, and the British Veterinary Association, are urging for changes to the UK's Dangerous Dogs Act. The current law bans 4 specific breeds but has been criticised due to increasing dog attacks and the unnecessary euthanization of innocent dogs. NHS data shows a rise in dog bites, with 9,366 recorded in 2022-23. While some suggest adding the XL Bully to the banned breeds list, the RSPCA emphasizes the need for an urgent review of the law, as simply expanding the ban might not solve the issue effectively. The RSPCA highlights that solid research is lacking to prove that banned breeds are inherently more aggressive. Aggression in dogs is influenced by various factors, including breeding and upbringing, making breed an inadequate predictor of aggression risk. Relying solely on breed-based measures to address dog aggression is problematic due to its complexity. The Dangerous Dogs Act prevents prohibited breeds from being rehomed, resulting in the euthanization of over 370 dogs by the RSPCA since 2016. Earlier this year, the Dog Control Coalition submitted evidence to Parliament, revealing the negative impact of the Dangerous Dogs Act of 1991 on dog welfare. This includes prolonged periods in kennels during legal proceedings, strict conditions for owning exempted dogs, and euthanization of banned dogs unable to be rehomed due to the law. The coalition criticized the act for disproportionately targeting the 4 banned breeds, leading to a distorted view of public safety. The recent increase in dog attacks highlights the law's failure in protecting the public. Over the past 2 decades, dog bites have risen by 154%, with 48 dog-related deaths between 1989 and 2017. Surprisingly, 53 out of 62 dogs involved in these incidents were not breeds listed in the ban.